Meaning of eucalyptus.
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 Eucalyptus. The term eucalyptus refers to a genus of trees and shrubs that are native to Australia and have been introduced to other parts of the world. These plants are characterized by their distinct aromatic leaves and their ability to adapt to various environments. They are commonly used for their medicinal properties, particularly for respiratory ailments, and are also valued for their timber, which is used in construction and paper production. Eucalyptus trees play an important role in the ecology of their native habitats, providing food and habitat for wildlife, and helping to regulate water levels in the soil.